Dumpster Rentals, Massachusetts. When you need reliable dumpster rentals in Massachusetts, Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal is here to help. Whether you're managing a home renovation, a construction project, or a large cleanup, we provide a variety of dumpster sizes to fit your needs. From 10 to 20 yards, our dumpsters are perfect for jobs of all sizes, ensuring you have the right solution for your waste disposal. We understand that convenience is key, which is why we offer prompt delivery and pickup services, as well as flexible rental terms. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, and we strive to keep your project on schedule by providing timely service. At Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal, we are committed to eco-friendly practices. We aim to recycle as much waste as possible, helping to minimize your project's environmental impact. Our team is here to assist with selecting the right size dumpster for your specific needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience from start to finish. For hassle-free dumpster rentals in Massachusetts, reach out to Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal at 978-635-4226. We're dedicated to making your cleanup and disposal process simple, affordable, and stress-free.